welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Welcome to another episode of the Culture. Madonna! What's up, babies? It's your girl Tandy, and welcome to another episode of the Culture Convo podcast. I'm your host with the most, TT, aka TT the Tall Girl, and I'm here with
the top dog, Nathan Kamani Makubalo.
Oh, you're good. What up, everyone? It's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous and finest honeybee, and I'm the hottest in the beehive. Dango.
okay.
Nancy Kunya Gomla. I'm kidding. I'm bouncing over your message with the problematic mom that wanted to plenty of ginger. And okay, now I'm in love of good vibes.
Yes.
Ginger.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Chris Okavanyaza, president of the Beehive.
Aye.
Bravo.
Okay.
Okay.
I know why.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's not related to me. They're gone.
Yeah,
They're
yes.
the beehive.
Exactly,
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
Now I guess.
This one. Nancy saying.
Okay.
My love.
What's
Wait,
it?
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah.
In
So scared.
Jaya Sekai 666 Iluma. Naughty. What's up,
Okay. What's up,
So
in today's episode, we are not going to touch base on much. We are just going to touch base on some controversial topics, just a teeny bit, and then we are going to be free and be ourselves at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You know, we're just going to keep it short, brief, and nice, you know, full of laughter and vibes. So, again, another thing that I wanted us to talk about
Yeah.
is a note that was posted about the fact that the Ghanaian government has sent planes to gather 300 Ghanaian citizens here in South Africa to take them home.
Yeah.
The thing is that a short percentage of those people went to the airport to get into a plane and go home. Majority of the Ghanaian Republic
Immigrants.
or
People, yes.
immigrants, yes, they were not found at the airport.
Yeah,
There was
because-
supposed to be 300.
Because they were busy striking.
For sure.
what?
For
They
sure.
were striking. I don't know why they
They
were striking. Because
Often
no, the Ghanaians
Yeah.
they were striking by government. The SA government must explain why it's to being like they're being thrown out of the country. I mean, you're undocumented.
I feel like those are the
You have the entitlement of saying the SA government while you know that you're staying here illegally.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
And then you're like, but I want my rights. Where? Which ones?
You
Which
cannot have
country?
rights
Which-
when
which
you are
country?
here illegally.
Yeah,
You are an immigrant that is undocumented.
Documented.
And you expect to have the same rights as the documented immigrants or
Yes.
as
Do they even have
the
rights?
South African
No, they don't.
citizens.
Like even I'm just talking about like Ababa documented girl. Do
Yes, because
Yeah.
but it's limited as to they can't operate in businesses that generate over a certain amount of profits. Or,
Yeah.
But they are entitled, I think, to a house, a job, just
Yeah.
like any other South African.
It's
I don't
also
know
like
how
how
limited
South
we are,
Africans
Cannot.
cannot.
Documents.
Damn.
Legal
But
documents.
it's also like how
That's a strike
United
is
South
equal.
Africans can
Yes,
go to
because
America
Barbasi-
but cannot work without a visa.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like that.
I'm
There
talking
are
strike
some
is-
restrictions.
But I feel like
Lending
even-
in
I feel like
when's
even Aba-
I don't get 30.
Le 30 ka June or something.
I mean, I feel like into is ngubani lo ngizwe mchunu.
Yeah,
Oh, that's right.
I'm not taking it seriously.
Don't take it
Wanika
seriously.
until I
something.
30 kaJune or July
June.
ukuze bahambe bonke.
Bahambe
Ah,
bonke
so
bakhupha
dates.
bonke.
I think after
Yeah.
June, I think after June,
Yeah,
after
maybe
30 leyo
dates.
kaJune, it might actually like turn violent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bazoba
Yeah.
violent
Yeah.
bakhuphe.
no.
I won't lie, it will, because at the end of the day, Ungezwe Mkhulundaye has followers.
That's not fair. That's not fair because
And
I was
I'm one of the
abantwana-
followers.
I'm just thinking,
Yeah,
yo,
I
if
know.
I'm not even
Amandla.
talking, I'm talking
Mandela.
about abantwana, guys. Like, I don't think that's fair, the party violence, because abantwana, they are like kids. Like, what about the kids? What about like central abantwana basically need to bathini.
Here's
Umntwana
the
bese
thing.
funda apha,
The
umntwana bese
the
like
parents
that
are
already
immi-
had friends.
Here's the thing: the parents are illegal immigrants.
Mhm.
The children are born here, making them the South African citizens.
No, wait.
Ah,
Some of them, Tom.
Ima.
Some of
They
them.
can't be
South African
South
citizens.
African citizens because into enzekayo umamakho ngwaseGhana uze apha ngecrocodile
Yes.
Whoa.
akana
Documents,
pass,
akana ntoni,
akana permit to live here
Imabhaza nyani ngecrocodile.
uzalwa njani uyajikiswa iforeigner ekliniki eza without an ID or a visa of some sort ethi I am allowed to be here because umntana akho kaloku funeka enze ntoni funeka afumane i-dual citizenship even
Yes.
if you are
Yima ke ngoku
documented,
in terms of giving birth aba bamithela apha benza njani?
bazala ezindlini
Damn.
And then what?
bazala ezindlini and then umntana uzayithatha phi ibirth uzakwenzelwa njani uba makhe ngena-ID yase-South
Ungena
Africa
njani esikolweni engenayi-birth?
abafundi
Bakhona I'm pretty sure bakhona bafuna.
I know, bafundi.
zikhona i-foreign nationals ezilapha ezisedimbaza zinabantwana like kukho umntana endandifunda naye that I can't name sorry Chomi wayefunda evarha yes wayene-ID yalapha eSouth Africa mama akhe notata akhe had a permit to live here eSouth Africa but there are so many foreign nationals that we overlook the fact that ezinye i-foreign nationals ezingamadoda get married to osisi bethu we overlook the fact that abanye omama come here bachate obhuti bethu hence ke ngoku bavele bafumane ntoni i-green card
Yeah.
yeah
They
so
all-
ewe umntana ngayi-foreign national but let's not forget that also we have relationships with these people
Yes.
yebo but there are undocumented people abakwazi ukakwazi umntana akho uba ne-ID funeke because kwaloo nesi uzakwenzela wena ukubelekisa kuthina their job is at risk
Yeah.
because kaloku ubelekisa njani unofficial
Undocumented, yes.
citizen
Yeah, but as a way.
that's putting also the clinic in bigger,
Jeopardy.
yebo,
Yeah.
bigger trouble. But guys, how are you allowing foreign nationals? Because kaloku uthatha ispace santoni sa-South African
Yes.
ekufanele uba
Exactly.
ilapha ihlala
It
apha
needs to-
Yeah, well.
Valid, valid.
Damn, there's a lot that goes into
And it
like
is a lot to get Sana. It's just the fact that ukubana, some people overlook it. And also the South African officials were not strict enough from the beginning.
The borders zethu are not protected clearly.
Yeah.
not
There's a problem
protected
at
enough.
the border because there's so many borders in South Africa. Ufuna ukuxelela security guard zonke is honest.
Nah.
And here's the thing, ayona border is strict. Leya yase you connecting South Africa with Swaziland. That one is so strict.
So it's gonna be straight to for
Leyo
sure.
Then
connected
it is so
neZimbabwe. Kugcwele amazim apha. Yo, hey, left and right maZimbabweans.
Border like Zim and South Africa is similar to the Mexico and
The
American.
American
Yes.
uwela nje.
Uwela nje,
Songini.
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 Njani? Guys,
Oh my
hayi.
God.
That's why
Because
majority
yes,
of us
though.
are saying Indonga also South Africa.
It's wheel. Ayiziwile.
That's
On too much more.
Khona hard.
Zendaba zase-South Africa eziwileyo. Ezasedimbaza nazo ziwile mntanam.
Oh, sawa.
It's an
Sawa
article.
kudala
So,
kezo.
there's a video on Dimbaza News of umntana ofumene ipilisi and instant porridge.
damn.
Damn.
I don't know. But umntana lo like goes at the school where I'm working.
Okay.
Yes. Then
That is crazy.
We've made a car, thankfully.
yes, uncedile
Ke ngoku bayibuyisile
bayisile kaloku nanku ke the vendor nonqana nothi my friend because ngathi ndirongo xa ndisithi my friend the vendor
Yeah.
was very defensive and very rude.
Nalai.
Ewe, we don't blame him because I don't know uba ngabo
It could have been the packaging.
abayenzi yabo
Yeah.
could have been at the packaging warehouse where the
Yes.
fault is but kaloku now you have bought that stock
But also here's the thing.
ine-fault nguwe accountable.
Yes.
But also,
I
here's
mean,
the
like,
thing.
the least you could do, you could take
They
it back
have-
and then just like.
bruv,
Give them
the,
their money.
the same person who supplies these vendors with their stock
Nah,
is,
is at
is
fault.
also of the same ethnicity as them.
Yes.
That is the thing. Hence why ke ngoku sisithi kwathina ukubana i-suppliers zabo ziyafana kwa
Zingabo,
nabo. It's just
actually.
the fact that ukubana
Zingabo.
i-supplier zabo bona have bigger stock to supply these vendors with
Yes.
their stock. Whether it's expired or whatnot, it's within their group.
And I think nalendo yabo of like people saying ukuthi into zabo bayazenzela. Like lando ufike uthiwa mase kuthana amanzi bayawenza. I saw a video
They were
Khona ebihamba
getting
ngaloo.
water from like a toilet, turning
Yeah.
it into purified water.
water
I was like,
and then
Why be
Yeah.
toilet?
toilet like the actual toilet.
Like, bro.
Yeyiphi le brand thixo wam they were creating a knockoff bottled water. It's Valpre.
Damn. Bazenzele knockoff,
spring
yeah.
water.
Yeah.
They were making it because there was the real one and the fake one. There's little to no difference. Even the bottling, they got it down to the T.
Damn.
It's also similar
Same
to
the
the
Coke.
To
Coke, yes, the Coke.
Because here's the thing, I truly believe Ukubana. Here's the thing. I had an experience. I had an experience in high school. It was camp. Yeah, but I chose to buy a 2-liter drink of Coke because it was going to be me, my brother, and a couple of friends.
Yeah.
And I also bought food.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got the food. To tell you, it
To show by being to be pre-opened, then you pin a receipt.
xa ihlukudla iyabonakala i-acid but xa uphinda uyivula ayikhala.
Sorry.
There was also what an alcohol bust. Yeah, oh you don't need Gordon's name, the old bag. Besithi nabo ke nabo bayazenzela umamboy.
Guys. Yeah.
Leyo ba ke ngoku amatrets baxanxatha ngenyawo.
Damn.
Yeah,
Like,
andiyazi
I'm an
Andiyazi?
andiyazi
What you?
Le bazithi nyawo amatrets emaninzi bazithi.
I'm an equal.
I was just
Fun.
lying. Guys,
See why I don't
some
buy
people
such
just
nonsense.
wanna. Here's the thing.
See
Some
why I
people
don't
just
buy
want
such
money. It's
nonsense.
also like how,
Zanikhangelela la video. Besithi
bruv, it's also like how many people who want to start a business do not want to prioritize the health of the product. Yeah, well, because it also happens with. It also happens with us black people.
Yeah.
Osisimande sabayakwazi ukwenza amagwinya apha mabele phandle nenantsika ntoni.
Ufumana inwele.
Kuba kwakho ubone sothenga amagwinya.
I'm not gonna lie, Shem. I had to
If I took it in Daga,
It's always the
Here's
best.
the thing, some of
Always
them
the best.
anuka mlungu. Yabo. Because it also goes by. So it
Cooking with gloves.
also goes by the fact that abantu abaninzi just want the money, but they don't want to prioritize the health of the product.
Yeah, well,
And that's
the
why
thing.
we have health inspectors. Oh, thank you, Lord, for
Here's
you
the
guys doing
thing,
the Lord's
some
work.
of the health inspectors are lacking.
Bribery.
Oh,
They are
Thereby,
so lacking, it's diabolical.
thereby bribery, and then after money, do health code certificate.
About Pumatalene, exactly.
And give
And
us
abamnandi
who
nyana amagunyusa isimanje
the
sabo.
health bro, the health code certificate, it comes with like the municipality tag and it has the name of the shop,
Yeah.
the number, the vendor number of the shop.
Yes.
Yabo. So
The text don't do.
yes, becomes official because they also laminate it.
And then
Yes,
Frame.
some of them put it in a frame, but some of them don't even put it in a frame. When there's vendors, yabona masukho lamaciko. Yeah.
Choma
Ekapaya, ubokaka xa uthenga, that's official.
Sana.
But again, my question
But
is,
this man is a
do
health
these
code.
shops also pay tax?
Damn.
Niyakuyakuthatha simandisa kodwa i-health code ufika
Kumnandi.
isitofu segas basincincelile simdaka imbiza
Simnandi njani?
Also,
inyama phandle
also,
ufike ebhaka but ngakho uyaxoxa still kwalapha phezu kwalenhla.
guys,
Akayiliba kuna namhlanje.
Yeah, I can go.
Uyafika uyathenga nge-10.
I can go.
Wayesaphangela uthenga ilunch nge-10 pha. Asibize bangumama mbani.
hayi siyamazi
Uthi wafika
ndiyamazi
Nizobethwa qobe
at the
kwethu.
same time.
Yo.
Akukhathalwa
Like, you are-
apha.
I feel like we also should really
Hayi,
talk
ndingahlala,
about
chef.
we may talk about the dirtiness and the uncleanliness and the untidiness or the over capacity stocking abayenzayo o vendor bethu chem noba bona bayintoni bayakwazi nosikwelethisa noba bazintoni chem
Oh,
Ah.
good choice.
Damn.
but into endizama uyithetha is that even in our yebo laa nto siyithetha uba usisimandisa imilenze like why health inspectors zingayi inye indawo okutya apha edimbaza endiyibonileyo ine-health code certificate
Same. Oh, you might grab.
Are you gonna mention?
Inye, kwanantsika
Are you gonna mention?
Hayi kwanantsika.
Engxaki
Phambi
sitye phana man.
Okay,
Sitye pha.
kwaBash.
It's so
And
dirty.
so
Yo.
yeah but in a health code certificate
Oh no.
but it's fine
Mabela.
zininzi
Shut up.
iindawo
Let's just-
zokutya ezingena health code certificate but you continue buying and then mhlambe sithi uthenge umduntu awuyazi bala nyama ibihleli ixesha elingakanani phaya yabo okanye ithengwe nini and awuyazi noba njengoba uyithenga kwibutchery nje kwale butchery how long it was holding on to the
Inyama.
you know? And then uyitye fine uphinde uthenga ntoni mhlawumbi uthenga ii-chips kovenda lo my friend vendor whatever you will call him and then you're chips you get a tummy ache forgetting that you also ate
Yes, yeah.
izinto ongakhange yabo and then ibe ngathi my friend or wrong yabo because no chips
black
are-
kakade,
you
yabo.
know, you know but sometimes ke ngoba betyabe kwa ufutha lenyama bangatyanga do you get my point
Yeah.
we also should take up accountability that also our fellow black South African
Businesses,
owners, especially fast food owners especially up at Dimbaza
Yo.
they're not really clean
Naseking.
King.
King ndabona indawo ngaserenkini I shall not name names njemala ndawo icasing nezifest ine-chips nenyama nefresh le bayenzayo on the casing nangamaphela lanti
Awuthi xa ndiyithanda le ndawo Nkosi.
uyayithanda ngathi yeke because
Ndiyayeka.
nangamaphela ahamba
Wow.
amaphela mama sajika
Oh,
sathi no
Yikes.
exactly
Yeah.
yo, yile ndiyicingayo kuqala ima.
zininzi fast food
Bro,
chains
zininzi.
Bra, somtata, man.
let's not only blame let's also call out our fellow
Black
South
business
African
owners,
business
yes.
owners. Our
Siyacela bantu asekhaya
entrepreneurs.
zimandi chips zenu nenorox zenu but cleanani
No, son.
cleanani
And
anikho
I
clean
feel like
if
our
ayidukhwe is a first sign also by ikhikhitshile clean xa if ayidukhwe yakhe imnyama sinathemba ke
But
ngokuba
also
izitya
here's the
zinjani.
thing, at the end of the day, kwa black entrepreneurs, abanye bayonqena.
very much
Bayonqena.
I don't think
And
also
ngoba beske babe nengcwangu kwa customers.
They
Njengoba
rude.
ngathi bayayicela
Kukho lo
imali
sithukayo sani apha so. Uthungena. Uthungena emnyango. Yo, uba bawulujika. Yo, bawulujika fast sani. Yo. Kumandi shame. Kumandi. Uclean shame. Yo, kasemoyika. Yo, uyajikisa. Uyathuka. Yo.
Le nto ungabiza amanga ngasenimazi ngoku.
makho or something umamakho mtyi wakho
Sana. Yo.
Akho ndimbi, but so
Animals?
yo.
Ah, uyithoka kungamasi. Uzosithuka sinye.
ndinivile kulaa podcast yenu
Uthungena emnyango. Atongilowa.
nguwe lo
Yo, guys, hey.
Yo, samoyika shame.
but siyamthanda
Ah, umthanda shame.
Axeke bajonga tyu. Uza kulinda ke eligwinya.
and uza kulinda nya
Uza kulinda.
ndayo abantu othenga ichips
Oh man shame. Manje shit zakhe.
jonga ke sisi ndiyamazi nyoko azophanjanelwa nguye ke
Ungaphi?
uzandifowunela uba unengxaki tyuwakho
But
Nguye.
ndazlinda
Nguye.
ke chips ke nabandifuni
sifuna laa ndawo inalatyu.
ewe kumandi
Mnandi
ke sheme
Yo,
endaweni
Sanya.
yakhe ukutya
That's
kwakhe
very
kuclean
Ewe
I
shame.
think
Hayi,
nguye
siyaxelela
ongena health
Okay,
code but uclean
Uclean,
uclean
uclean.
usisi
Yathika Nathan.
Asakayiclean.
Okay, on to lighter things. Guys, let me know. Let's
Hey.
jump into serious things, man.
Yeah.
Why need you guys?
It's rude. Like, ninjani,
Ninjani.
ninjani, guys. Like, how's your heart?
Man.
We go through so much and we forget
Yeah.
to ask ourselves, but yo, bro,
How's life?
are you good?
Coping.
Bingo, Bluey.
I'm very fine. I
Yo,
Yeah,
wasiqalela.
Hi, bro.
Kuzeni. Ethana gqityeziwe ngayo. Kasiqalele sisi.
I go. The tap blue with bingo.
Island.
Dlala guys. Did I to guys name?
Mhm.
Yeah, man. I am very fine.
Yeah.
Things are cute. Not really,
Okay.
but yeah, they are cute on my side.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good,
love
ne?
to
Tell
see
us
it.
the good life
Yeah.
one.
Yabuza, kuthiwa into yakena. What's going on this high guys? Ingxaki zam vele ndiguqela iThibawo.
Hallelujah.
On you.
Nazo.
Oh yeah.
Andizuva ngawe mna.
Hello.
Ndiyazibuyisa
Yeah,
back ezingxakini
Back to
zam.
sender.
So buddy.
Back
Okay.
to sender.
Makhe ndize ngaye.
Mr. Chris,
Why?
how's your heart?
Why
Azuva
you
ngawe.
to me? Nah, man, I'm good.
Yeah.
No,
Whoa.
I have a,
Whoa.
I have a woman. I have.
Oh, last time we checked you. No, whoa. Last time we checked, you were single.
I think
woman?
I think I do have a woman.
You
Yo.
The thing is,
You
we don't,
think?
I don't want to.
W.
We
Christopher.
haven't.
Is it a new thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a new
How
thing.
serious is it?
About a week ago, I think.
Yo.
I got a week ago.
Otherwise, Nana, we like we're talking like Seteta man. Yes, Asian.
Okay. We want to see it. Shout out to you and then Titi. How are you?
I want to say hi. Uhlele Thembisa yabo.
What's it guys?
That's what.
Hi.
That's why solo kuse Teresa. Okay.
Compton.
She's very sweet.
I no Thembisa hands. No.
Very good.
Very good. Very good.
I can
The
vouch
ones
for
that are
we have
reserved
one.
and stay at home like me.
Yeah.
We already have one.
Dang, I can vouch for them.
Did beef no Mr. Produce?
Okay, Titi, how's your heart?
Oh, how's my heart?
Yeah, how are you?
How
are you, bro?
No, my heart is pretty confused lately.
Oh, what?
Yeah. My heart is confused.
And
I say this because girl,
Wow.
girl,
Wow.
but here's the thing, it's not because of that. It's just the fact that at this point, it's just the fact that like I'm trying to figure out things and navigate in terms of where I'm at mentally and in terms of navigating love life. Yeah, in a way. Yeah, well,
Okay.
yes, because in a way, you can't find a partner when you don't exactly know what you want.
Oh, yeah.
You see?
Wise words. Listen to that. You can't find a partner unless.
You know what you want.
Exactly. So
Exactly.
exactly.
Because at the end of the day, the more you peel those layers, it's not the exact gem that you want.
Yeah,
Uzophela
but-
utya izonga zabantu.
Very wrong, guys.
No.
Oh God!
Luma esamisingwa uzazibona
Ah, okay,
How are you, Nathan?
okay, size kuwe like where you at?
awuzosibona like ezinkwa apha gqiba uthi awubuze mna. How are you, Nathan?
Nathan.
I feel like funeke ndivule i-TikTok account lithi welcome to Nathan Top Dog Story Time sana because yo
Khayivule mntana.
I would be the
I'm
first
ready.
follower.
I
would be the first follower
Okay.
because
Yeah,
I want to story.
okay ni ready for my story time sam ngoku.
No sereti
Okay.
tata.
Welcome to the Top Dog Story Time.
Yes.
Okay guys, so this past weekend sisuka kuyo.
Ndiyakufama mna.
Okay. Ne invited to i-birthday yabo countdown wara yabo pre-birthday ntontoni umuntu uzala icawa nesiye ngomgqibelo ke pha.
Okay. Okay.
Sifike ke invite nguguy yabo. Nyani xa sifikayo ekugcwele ke apha abantu bagcwele yabona isabo campfire vibe yabona
Okay.
njalo kuyabraya ngapha yakuhlelwe yabo njalo. Okay, ndivibe ke ukuno cousin kaguy yabo. Siyathetha no not like that. Yes, siyazana mos yabo. So siyathetha.
Just talking, catching
Yabo
up.
catching up and no njani man cute right no and stuff. Ne? So ke ngoku sihlele cycle mos ke socialize up. So the whole energy shifted ke ngoku. Kuza umuntu so yo sana athi thunderstorm. Boom.
Damn.
Fika ke ngoku umuntu yabo.
What's up?
Fika umuntu usibonile mos. So andibazi most abantu bapha. Does i-cousin this is you Tony Chomi nalomfana njengaye apha.
Yeah.
Fika umuntu kwatshintsha vibe. Bavula amehla abantu ne. So mphakemisa ke ngoku ndijonge le nto izayo. Nyani yafika ngumuntu wakho lo.
Oh.
Damn.
Ke ndithi mbuze imake ba utsho ba athi hayi namxelela ngowami ndithi ke okay welcome to the squad. Okay welcome to the squad. Okay. Umile ke untebuza khona enye into ofuna uyithetha. Yabo. And he was like, "Oh no, come ngizoxela nami lo wami." Okay, kaloku welcome to the team. Welcome. Yeah. It's supposed to tell okay, welcome. Did you ufuna uhlala phansi nasi ayisitutha hlala phansi usijoyine. Sijoyine. Yabo sister wife hlala phansi. Hlala phansi. Yabo hlala phansi.
It also goes by Bendithetha Chomi uvese kufanele ukuthi njalo all of the sudden
Jonga.
kuba ni talking stage yakho ufuna ukufaka kwi roster.
Yo.
Yo.
Like what the heck? Niggas is moving crazy nowadays, and I don't
Oh,
like
dating
it.
26 with Nana.
Niggas are too comfortable, and I don't like that. I need to humble niggas.
Damn,
I
ungade
ain't
saba.
Oh.
But yima. Kanti no,
Khamisha
thinking,
wena.
kanti
Jonga,
uyafeyila wena.
ndiyaboila.
That's the thing. Go back with vice versa.
Ose uthe hayi wohlulekele ngamadoda.
Hyper fits.
Let's go date the
Yeah,
other
yeah,
team
yeah.
boy.
Also
Jonga.
goes by vice versa, but niggas is too comfortable nowadays, and I
Hence
don't like
command by
it.
twin plug. Twin plugs don't
Yo.
have much issues.
Yo.
Wena ngapha ya.
Also, hence why
Nina-
some
Nina-
of us is
Nina is twin
Big
plug.
gay is a cheat
Nilala
code.
ndishaka maphu lalo nomapha. Wrong nina ni
Yo,
wrong.
hayibo guys.
Ni wrong nina ngeke kehla.
Yo, hayibo.
Wow.
Mama share confused.
Here's the thing. Kuye yeke lonto uba uyayazi Cherry Kamjita before uncokole nomjita
Nomjita.
ngena ku Cherry Kamjita.
Oh, hayi. Cruel.
Yeah, no.
That's not cool.
Oh, I love bisexuals.
Yo, sneaky.
Yeah.
Bisexual
You're moving
Yo.
crazy.
very
Yo,
nice there.
sneaky as fudge.
Locate me.
Eziyabo sihleli ke
Yo,
ngoku.
uvese kufind out kube
Kuhleliwe ke ngoku yabo hleli ke ngoku. So uganye uyothatha bayahambile bayothenga i-drinks no yabo for abantu abaselayo bayazosela yabo. So shishekile ke ngoku apha yabo. So ndiyaboila kubona. Ngoba ndiyaboila but
fuming.
apha in my mind I'm like okay, sorry actor.
Okay.
Don't react.
Humble yourself.
Pretty people don't fight.
Clock it.
Because uzawufodwa abazunqanda uzawutrenda awuzunqanda uzawubethwa utrend awuzunqandwa abuzawufodwa sokulwa.
That's why you
Zithile
need
cwaka.
to always have a good squad of friends.
Mm.
Kwenza lo siyakwazi ukwazulwa. Sikhona thina. Sikhona thina.
So ndindedwa ke
Manje manje
ngokuphana.
singalwi nokulwa. Sikiyeke ubhozome. Bese
Jwabele. No. And also here's the thing. Oh, when you like clicking with people, okay, like when you're hanging out with people but are close with the other person who you know Kubana is playing you, it's going to move crazy because they will prey on your downfall. They will be amused by the fact that when you are finding out Kubana you're being played.
Ubona ke loo nto.
Andini jikona naba balihleli nabo bayayazi le nto. So ndimi isibhaxa.
Exactly what I'm
Ndinothi
saying.
lapha. Thini Fandini kwahlalo wafika uyazi ke ukugaya wafika wasilekisha man nyani wazohlala phansi nyani ke ngoku energy iyekile ke ngoku u-birthday boy siyekile ke ukuba ngaye ngoku singale ke ngoku ilapha
yayibona you ruined another person's
If-
birthday.
Oh,
Lengafilayo. Esisitutu.
yeah so no it's fine
Now you're ruining a birthday celebration.
Fandini ndibe ngamazi nalomfana
Oh,
usise
yini.
ngaye
Yini
yini
nothi kanti oyena amaqondana wakho ngulo
Yo.
birthday boy. Azokulibaza.
imagine
But now umoshile awukho.
Yayibona nto.
Imagine nami ndimoshile because ndimoshe big time nami yabo. Yeah. So ke ngoku I don't know okay. Uyandazi yena bengamazi ndiyamazi ngoku ne and umfana uzise mina apha ne. So I'm gonna do things as on spike yena ke ngoku. Ndafika umfana nathi no izohlala apha kwesidro ngizohlala phezu kwakhe it's fine. Sizohlala
Tipple
apha
more.
sonke.
Tipple
See
more.
oh sihleli ke ngoku we hope siyancokola ke abancokolayo bayathetha bathethayo yabo. Sanqola khona ke ngoku iyafyumisha len lo ngaye lo Allergent K wam iyafyumisha phawu sister wife yabo. Sanqola okay hayi bengu love dive man iphaqame into isijulele ngesavana it's so yo je ikhoba lesavana laya boom abhlokweni yami cha kuthiwa wenja khabe ndixoxa I ran ngeke ndibalekile guys andifuna uxoxa I took the key ngeke khehla ngithathe isitiko semoto I ran ndayozalela emotweni kana guys yo ngeke khehla
Bathathini.
unjini
Athini.
Emotweni kabani mntu
Bethwe.
Ukhala uzothi usengaye. But usengaye.
Ibantwana. Yo. Uncedo
So you had a movie.
yo sana ndizobaleki mna soze ngeke khehla ngeke khehla
Sifike kukiphula.
Ngathi wabaleka ubethwe.
benzabaleka mna ndibalekile I ran my life
Imagine if ubungabaleka ngesibana sibukela le video yakho ukufusha.
And the job again, get session shaka Facebook.
Hey, kuya lona.
But hey, guys,
Los ndimoto scrolla every day ke
Imagine.
No fuck.
Bethwa ngapha.
guys, not to cut you off, Nick,
Yeah.
but there's something that I want to talk about. In like,
Yes, please talk.
you know that Andy confronting Haile. I want to talk about small talks.
Okay.
Small talks,
What is small
especially
talks?
as a guy, ne?
What do you mean small talks?
Like
And
a small
when
talks,
you
like
like approaching a new
like
person.
hi, how are you? Like things like how are you? How's your day going? What, like like small talks basically
Yeah.
before you get to the point.
Before
Yeah, well,
anyone.
Would you rather like for
For
example?
anyone.
Well, in my case, for
A girl.
yes, like would you
That you
rather
are
I get to the
approaching.
point, go or because like I think about better like I shouldn't
Small talks
focus
are
on
I-
small
I,
talks.
I think ndifuna ukuva when you actually make an example.
Like for example, man didn't climb their phone,
Mm.
and then I actually get your number, and then when we start talking, I don't get straight to the point immediately. I go with things like scholars like
I think
Yeah,
I-
how
how
are
are
you?
you? About how's your
I
day?
think I would
type
enjoy
things.
that as a person.
Yeah.
Pofu like pofu mna. Let me just say
Preferences
myself
like-
As well as me.
and my own opinions and my own feelings and such.
Clock it.
I'm a very nice person.
Depend on ubuza ntoni kweza small talks.
How's your day? How's
But
your
but
day
but I
going?
love
How did you
someone
sleep?
You know,
Ntoni?
How did you sleep?
that's why
I feel like
that's why yabona ke that's why should umfana buzba unxibe ntoni. Khonxaki.
Pervert.
Pervert.
Ntoni?
That's a pervert.
Zambon
That's not small
banginxibe
talk.
ntoni?
Ngibe nophansi kwalo night.
That's not small talk.
Let's straight to the point.
Let's straight
No,
to
let's
the
say
point.
to a point. Iyakwazi
Zambon banginxibe ntoni?
The fuck.
Ford.
wenza ntoni ndiyavasa.
Let me see.
Wenza ntoni ndiyavasa.
Zamboni.
Umlenze.
Let me see your shoes. Let me see your shoes.
That's not small
Guys.
talk. That's someone being a
Yeah, well,
pervert. But umntu xa approach her,
Sorry.
athi hi, how are you? I'm good. Did you eat? How was your day? What did you do? I think that appropriate small talk is very needed because also velote hi ndiyakufuna.
Yeah.
but then anifuni lo.
Because
Because it's gonna be like,
I
I
need
know,
food,
you
because the thing is-
uyitholaphi?
Like
It's
me-
Ngosuya kule nto behind yakufunda.
It's
You man.
Ingaki guys
Because
like you're like in
kaloku
between.
cacile kaloku uzandibeka on hold once a man sithi hi
No,
how's
no,
your
no,
day
Exactly,
no,
avoid
no,
that
no,
don't
no,
nqina
no,
lezo nto.
uzodika mna
I'll feel
like
weird go uba yabo uyanifuna. That's where you activate now I'm a nice person.
Exactly. I feel like small
So if
talks
a
they
guy would
open
say-
like a platform of comfortability.
Yes.
Because I need you to be like, namhlanje
Comfortable.
kwenzeke into enje ngibane nothetha naye. Oh,
Clock
okay,
it.
okay.
That's where you can say, what did you do? How
Yeah,
was
well,
your day?
exactly.
I'll tell you, baby girl. Now no, my day was crazy. You know, lunya a crocodile. You know, look how you're lying just
Yeah,
to
well,
break, like just to cheer up.
break-
If I said I had a
exactly,
bad day,
guys.
now I expect a joke.
Yeah.
Then maybe after that, xa mbona ngathi ekhuleka ngoku, you can say, but no man, like
My
the reason
intentions
why
are this.
exactly.
And so very like nje. You make a cash.
Enye into nina ingxaki enye into nina guys like yo niya
Basekhona abantu
screenshot
abaqala
nina
ukubakhuswa
guys
kwi-dates
and
na.
niya screenshot
Yeah.
and niya poster.
Asithandwa thina.
Nina nihlekise ngayo and the worst part is that xa ni screenshot and poster aniwafihla amagama ethu. The moment
Oh my
the
God.
moment ndifike
You
ndisithi
are
hi
so
ndicela
traumatized, you
hi
told me.
ndicela ube sesinikile. That
You
has
are
happened
so
to me.
traumatized.
That has happened to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but because that has happened
Oh,
to me.
like a
Yini na
local.
uxolo.
Ndafika
Kabisi.
intombazane yadyola ne and then her boyfriend I think he was in Joburg.
Yeah.
I think ngokunasisi Avan and then I was like no man it's fine ngicela sisebenzisane.
No boy.
And then like sisebenzisane.
What kind of
Yabo.
inspiration is that?
Like no sisebenzisane nje construction.
Ah, ke ngoku.
Ingxaki besesikolweni ne like I think then safika kule nawo. Yabo ndandingekadyoli naye wale nto yabo and then ndandyola apha eDimbazi. Yabo. Xolo.
So ufuna uconnecta ba? Ah, ufuna umluza lo because sembambile
That
already.
masebenzisane unikele unikayo but then
But ingxaki lento ndithi it's how you put it. Because uyakwazi uva umjika
Ayikunzima.
you can be a hoe. It's good to be a hoe, but ndiyekela uba yi-hoe ngoku yabo. I used to be a hoe.
Rouse.
Be a hoe until you
Nah.
find the one.
I found the one.
Brother
ngoku.
Blacks.
Hey, I found the one ngoku yabo. Ingxaki andifuni ucela oh, I found the one yabo. I'm not a hoe. You're not a hoe.
Hayi kuhle.
And it's very important to have a whole phase, yes? Because asifuna ubonana nawe uyi middle aged man une life crisis.
It's no story.
Hayi
You know?
degrading a whole phase.
With no
Dala
story.
ndibona,
You
mama,
know?
kudala.
Kanti-
Kudala
kanti-
ndihleli nabantu abane whole phase
Ibane
ndishaya.
whole phase
Iba ne whole
now.
phase.
Now I'm good.
Yabo?
Because
Into
uzoxaka.
Yabo?
Should come forward
Ndizoxaka.
uzawubona ngawe sonxiba mini skirts and such and such and such. Qonda ayibo.
Yabona ezo nto.
Anfuna uba nayo a whole phase. I'm good. I'm
Yeah,
not
but
gonna
this
lie,
is what
I'm
I,
good.
this is what I
Because
mean when
I'd
I
rather
say
be a
near
hoe to one
screenshot.
partner.
Yambo. Screenshot it
Fuck buddies. Sis,
Yes, screenshot.
this is not small talk, ne?
This is just
Listen
like,
to this. I want. This is
We're listening,
national
we're listening. We
PSA.
are listening.
Listening?
Yes, we're listening.
I'm in love with that type of body. You my type. Ati girl, baby girl. Thank you so much. Okay, Ati, let's be fuck buddies. 'Cause
Irritated.
ngiyabawela na. Fuck.
Can you
I
mama
mean, no
Georgia?
disrespect. Just that. No, I mean no disrespect. Just that as a strong woman, you seem to be. I assume you'd appreciate me being straight up with you. And then the baby girl replies, "No, thank you."
But
I'm not gonna lie, I like people who are straight. I like people who are straight with me. It's just on
But
how
no,
you phrase
let
it.
me
It's
like
how you
Joe,
phrase
the thing
Why
is,
was
even
that
if
taking this
like,
like, why can't you
Fuck
articulate
buddies.
yourself in a well-mannered
Make
way?
it let's be
we
casual.
are
You're
born-
speaking with the lady,
yeah, but even if-
articulate yourself to me as a
Kakuhle.
lady.
Kakuhle.
Because I am a
Okanye
lady at the
jonga,
end of the
okanye
day.
jonga.
No, ngokolana mavrawusha uzawufika
Okanye jonga,
nawo.
Chilo,
No,
but
this
damn.
is-
But
Okay,
when
When
guys,
the
you're
thing is
running the
already
line.
disrespectful.
Line.
No.
Guys,
It's like you saying no offense to
Aibo.
something that you know is offensive. What the F?
What
Okay.
a strong woman you seem to be. Am I strong?
Yeah, I must.
okay, no, Masi again, like on terms of being like in like meaning no disrespect. ne?
Yeah.
Would you rather a guy afike go and like give
Attack
you
back.
this like first like
Fake.
false like fake personality type, ne?
Yes.
And then
Yeah.
until you get like have
Like
a
a
sex,
manip-
and then after sex, we're gonna about no man. I'm not
Actually,
into
My
it.
intention.
I was recently told a story of a girl
Yeah,
that
well.
had a first meetup with a guy at his place. They shagged for the night, did what lovers do for the whole weekend, and then bounced, and then Kaibuya blocked.
Blocked.
Like yabona le uthi
Also, can
I've
I
had, like-
address this point? Girls also do that.
Blocked.
I've had sex on the first meetup.
Girls also
Yeah,
do that because it's like, okay,
Are
What
you
makes
girl? Good guy.
I know.
Guy.
Guy blockile.
Eh,
Here's the
Damn.
thing. There are some. Okay,
Hey.
From Friday to Monday.
Mamela. There's a
But
situation.
But yo,
I've witnessed, guys, I've witnessed such a situation whereby the guy presents himself to the girl in such a way that you've explained. Yes. And ke ngoku, it also goes by a manner yokubana. Girl was like, okay, I hear you. I'm going to go with what you're going, but I know at the end of the day what I'm for.
Yeah.
And then it came a time whereby they shagged.
Damn.
And then when they spoke just smoothly, but after girl was just distant. She distant.
So why since we hit and run, baby girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ima like let's
Yeah.
Like,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
I want to go back to what you said. Let's talk about sex on the first meetup.
That was very good.
it's not
Yo.
I've you all-
yima kaloku
Sex on the
ufundile
very
ngeke
first
sibonile uba
time.
kuhlalelwa
After,
ntoni
like,
lapha funeka sibone uba sizawuhlala now
Bazawuhlala
or
okanye
left
Yabona-
or right
yabona loo nto
yeah
is-
What he said.
Madoda.
That.
Yabo, you need to know into is
Hayi simadala wo.
By 4 years, yam.
Ah, yeah,
you see so old imagine
That's what I'm sure. Yabona, I feel like these are the type of situation or these are the type of sexual mindset that people have when they haven't gotten sex education from a young age.
Damn.
yima
Jonga. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I don't want to talk about
I'm
sex,
saying-
but yabo ndandifundile LO.
Sex education. I'll figure out grade 12.
Kaloku,
That-
there are some
what
people
is
who
it?
lie.
LO.
Kaloku, I hear you. Ukhona into ongayenza LO apha ne-life sciences, life skills.
Exactly.
Exactly my point. But ke ngoku, at the end of the day, there are some people who take it lightly up ukubana hayi sayazi sex uba yintoni, but they haven't gotten into depth ukubana how exactly it takes a toll on someone's mentality.
Damn.
Okay.
Mentality. How? We're talking about
Elaborate, Ima. Elaborate.
Yo.
Because akathethi ngale nto siyithethayo thina. Ta, sithetha nge-sex on the first meetup. Ngiyakuva, if you're saying
Ima
like,
is like-
health wise,
You
can say ke ngoku mhlambe umjida lo awumazi, you can get an STI. That's where I can hear you. But kaloku nawe awuzoya uncupha. You know your intentions. Umdala unezinzi.
Yes.
Damn.
Uzawuya pha,
Of course,
uye
nazo,
pha
hayi.
efletini yakhe.
Yeah.
Uthi hi, hello, ndiyahamba ngofo. Qebile. Naye yazi intention. Ikuwe bayidyazi bomkhwenyana uyayazi okanye uyazi.
Yeah.
Eba mentally and such, it has nothing to do with it.
Let's forget about your
Uwe,
mentality
bakhona
for a
abantu abayayo
while.
on their first meetup and then don't shag. And
Yeah.
that's their choice. Those are their bodies. Whoever chooses to have sex on the first meetup,
Yeah,
it's also
valid.
their body. It's also their choice and vaginas. Thank you. I can hear you health-wise. But mentally, no.
But also, here's the thing.
No, guys.
Wena uye kwenye ikona, sibethetha ngenye ikona thina.
But hence why kwamna
But-
kaloku ndisitsho kubana in a way kwa ola hlobo there's a time I think I spoke with you about this sometime yesterday in a way. When I was telling you ubana ngaba
You can
there are
have
some
this
people who are having sex
For
without
the
any-
sake of having sex.
Yes.
That's what kaloku wena uthi. Tena we're talking about on the first meet up when we are kwamfana, on the
Yeah.
first day we are kwamfana.
How do you feel about
When are you
yourself
talking
after?
about ngela xesha izolo besithetha ngomntana omncinci mhlambe ona 16 who has no idea of what sex is
Yeah.
and what sex does to a body.
Because
or
abazazi
what
bafunda.
kind of sex you should be
Especially
having.
as a girl.
Exactly. Usitsho usithi hayi bovuyela ntoni uxava njia
Yes.
afumane le nto ayifumanayo wena you don't get any kind of satisfaction.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
just the
man.
mentality of the big tool that is being put into you.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yo.
Other is ikona and then what?
Yeah.
You don't get the orgasm you're supposed to get. That's what you were saying. Yeah. That was on a mental case for kids.
Yeah,
Not
what?
reasonable adults.
Is
this
it?
table.
Is it?
In this table, we are well-adjusted human beings who know
Yeah,
what
yeah,
an
yeah,
orgasm
yeah.
is. There's kids who don't know what an orgasm
Orgasm is.
They just go have sex and then
For
don't
the sake of
orgasm.
having
For the
sex.
sake of having sex. And then I'll go, see, no, I
Imagine
had
giving
sex
birth
yesterday.
to a child without ever
And then,
experiencing an orgasm. That's fucking crazy.
and then what? Yebo, mna
Yeah.
ndizakubuza ke ngoku njengangala nzinzi ndithi, and then what? Did you?
Nah, it was
Okay,
just
hayi
made.
loo nto.
It was just
Okay.
made.
Damn kids.
Yeah.
But speaking,
Nah, no, I was just hoping.
arguing.
No, I was just
amantombazana afila njani?
like, how do you feel about yourself afterwards? Like after sex on the first meetup?
I feel good.
I think it depends about kudlalwe njani.
Oh shit, it's
It's raining.
Oh my tita.
What's
It's
raining?
raining.
Kudlalwe njani?
It's raining back.
Due to bad
Guys,
weather.
Thank you for tuning in.
Perfect
Thank you for tuning in. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to cut the
Unfortunately, it's
episode
raining.
short
It's raining, people.
due to
We will be
unforeseen
back.
circumstances.
Yeah.
due to
Okay.
God.
Yo, Pini Boo, yeah.
So
We'll be
don't
back.
forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget this is the Culture Convo podcast. Don't forget to pray and
We love you.
Nazi.
Taka da da da, taka da 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 da.